So it is about 10 o'clock. We are off to our first replacement job, and it is in Marietta. So let's go. Hey, Jacob.
Hey, Lise.
Where are we off to?
We're off to work.
Where are we going?
We're going to Marietta to do a windshield replacement.
Woo!
Hey, this is Jacob with Jet Auto Glass. Hey, how's it going? Good, how about you? Good, good. We're here. I see that, there's the construction for all the apartment buildings. Yes. Yeah, do you want me to come into the site, or do you want to bring your car out? I'm on a side. There's a gate that's kind of open, and there's access only, and I do see a bunch of cars parked here, but I don't think...
All right, we got a 2023 GMC Canyon. What you doing?
Just removing clips from the car.
Nice. Then what?
Side moldings here.
Nice. We are done.